Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can combine photos and videos in CapCut. So whether you are making a travel vlog or maybe a dynamic social media reels, here I'm going to break down the easiest way to mix still images and moving footage without any annoying jumps or quality loss. So first you can just open CapCut on your mobile and start a new video. So for the tutorial in here, I'm going to show you two different solutions to combine both photos and videos. Let's try the first one. Here you can start a new project and choose a video or photo first as the background. Here I'm going to, let's say, choose a video. So I think I'm going to go with background in here and add this videos right here. Let's say you can tap on add. Okay, so now you can add photos or videos by using the overlay options. You can hit on overlay, add overlay, and then here you can choose whether you want to add photos or videos. So let's say I'm going to add a photos right here. You can just click on the photos, tap on add, and now you can resize the photo just like this, and also the position. And if you want to add videos, you can also do the exact same steps. Click on add overlay again and choose the videos that you want to add. Okay, let's say I'm going to add this one. You can hit on add, and again you can resize and reposition it as you preferred. And the second options that you can do is use the collage feature on CapCut. In here you can just click on new video or start a new project and use or select photos and videos at the same time. So for example, in here I'm going to choose this video and also this videos right here. Then I'm going to also use photo, this one and this one. You can use the collage feature, sorry about that. So just choose both videos and photo. So instead of click on add, you can just click on collage in here, and your photos and video will be combined in one frame like this. You can just choose the layout, then you can hit on a check icon. Here you can preview the result just like this. You can click on edit more to edit it again on CapCut, or click on export directly. So guys, that's pretty much all. That's how you can combine both photos and videos in one frame using CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.